What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to connect a phone to a 2024 Mazda CX-5 using Bluetooth. I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone, but other phones will be similar. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my phone, go into the settings and open your Bluetooth menu, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now what I'm going to do is come over here to the center console, and if you're not already there, go ahead and press the home button right here. That's going to take us to the home screen right here. From the home screen, I'm going to use this joystick dial to twist and scroll down. Scroll down until we have communication highlighted like that. Once communication's highlighted, I'm going to press this joystick in like this. That's going to take us to this screen. And you can see on the right-hand side there, connect is highlighted. So I'll press that joystick in again. That's going to take us to this screen, which is going to be the available devices. So on mine's the iPhone, so I'm going to use this joystick to scroll down. Scroll down until we have our iPhone highlighted like that, and then press that button in. Now what we're going to do is make sure that that passcode right there on the center screen matches the one on our phone screen, and it does. So on my phone, I'm going to click pair, and this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. And as you can see there, we're now connected. Now you'll be able to make calls, play music, whatever you want to do. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.